Remember those store-bought nuts that has some sugary flavor? And they call it something like honey roast and sweet barbecue? And you get charged a ton of money for it? Well, I have cracked the making process. And this is it. Get your skillet. It all starts with the sugar, crystal white sugar. You will need 1 cup of sugar, which is about 250 grams. To that, we're going to add half a cup of water, which is about 125 mils of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Heat up the water, the sugar and the cinnamon until it comes to the boil. Continue mixing and stirring until all the sugar has dissolved completely. Then add in your almonds. Here I use 2 cups of almonds, which is about 300 grams. You can definitely use this recipe with other nuts like cashew and pecan. The cooking process should not take more than 5 minutes. A side note, here you have to work quickly. While the nuts are hot enough, pour them into a cooling tray before they get stuck on your skillet. Wait for them to cool down. Store them up in your favorite jar. I would recommend here wearing gloves because the sugar could solidify and it's kind of sharp, so be careful. And that's how you make those candied almonds. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends. I will see you in the next video.